So I'm hopping on the NYX Bear With Me Concealer Serum bandwagon right now. I thought this was pretty cool and was like, oh, cool, because I like concealers and I always struggle to find one. And me getting older, 27, but I'm starting to have like lines and everything right here that like you can kind of see. And so I'm just like, well, hopefully this will do better than my other concealers. So let's try it out. I do have makeup on here right now, so I'm gonna go ahead and get naked for you and use the makeup remover wipes just to get some of that makeup off so we can see what it will look like really laid down. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and wipe off what I have underneath. I hate this process because I hate ruining the skin. I feel like I'm always just like too rough, and I try to be lighter with it, and it's just like the most sensitive skin right here, and it's hard. I wish they would just come out with like the gentlest, easiest way to remove your stuff without like digging into it. But okay, so now it's removed. You can see my eye bag lines, but okay, so they said to just pump it on a brush and then just put it on the little parts of your eyes. It kind of feels thick so far. Like, I don't know if it will wear thick, but it kind of feels thick. So I don't want to put it like too much right under my eye and hit my eye. So I'm just going to kind of keep it lower and then kind of blend it that way. So, and I got shade Vanilla because they didn't have light. So this might not be exactly my shade, but we'll see. Okay, so I'm going to take a little floofy brush. It's Morphe M173, and I'm going to blend that down here and then work my way up with the little beauty blender. So so far I like how it blends, especially with this little brush. I didn't think it was going to blend that very well with this brush. I was thinking the brush would kind of like just pull it off, and it's actually doing really good, and it's not drying too fast either, so like you can work with it. So that's pretty cool. I like that. I said I was going to use the little sponge thing, but I kind of like how the brush didn't pull it, because like I was going to use the sponge because normally like the brush will just pull it off. But give me a second so I can put the powder on top of it and come back. Okay, I really like it. I'm gonna have to try a light, but I really like the coverage and how nice it went on and how